Right, today we're going to attempt to fix this 40-inch Technika TV. Intermittent fault apparently, but I haven't actually managed to get the thing running yet. All it seems to do, as soon as you put power to the TV, it comes up with this straight away, and it does nothing else. The buttons don't do anything. So we're going to take it apart and see if we can see anything obvious, and then go from there. Okay. Oh, good. So on this one, it's got the board marked up of what the voltages are. So what we can do is we can check to make sure that those voltages are what they should be. That's pretty cool. Uh, 11.7. It's not bad. 12 volt. This is plus 5 volt. Yeah, 4.97. That's pretty good. Plus 5 volt again. That's probably off the same rail. Yeah. And then we've got VSB. I don't know what that is actually. That goes onto that board, so I don't know. 4.9 volts. Off. 4.4. It's white. That goes onto the main board as well. And then we've got plus 5, plus 5. Yeah. And then we've got 24. 24.2. That's okay. And then we've got 24 volts up here. That's okay. So power supply board is, as far as I can see, okay. Right, so can't really see a lot that's actually wrong. So obviously we get a picture on the TV, albeit it's setting up whatever. So the fault has to be on this board and this board alone. So so what I'm going to have to do is have a poke around, see if we've got any dry joints anywhere. As it was an intermittent fault, then the components themselves should be working. Let's have a quick look, see if I can see anything obvious on that.